welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another price update na naman tayo dito sa Kenya Telecom when it comes sa kanilang iPhone. So meron tayong 13 series dito, of course 13 Pro Max and 13 Pro. Marami din tayong available color and storage. Before that, Kenya Telecom is located sa 3rd floor V-Mall, San Juan City. If by any chance naliligaw kayo, ayan, at di nyo alam yung V-Mall, you can ask sa mga guard po sa baba. Ayan, i-guide naman nila kayo kung nasan yung 3rd floor V-Mall. Tapos, sakay lang kayo ng escalator or elevator. Nasa gitna lang po sila. Dire-diretsuhin nyo lang yung pagkabukas ng elevator. Makikita nyo kagad yung Kenya Telecom structure. So, yun yung located nila dito sa Kenya Telecom. But, if gusto nyo makita si Boss Mayet, ayan, lagi po siya nasa CMB Gadget XA07. Hindi po sila lumipat. 2nd floor, Tiangge. Sila makikita nyo doon si Boss Mayet, si Kuya Con, si Ate Mary Rose, si Alma, and si James. Dito naman sa Kenya Telecom, makita nyo dito sa Ate Belen, and also si Boss Eli, ang pinaka-bossing dito sa 3rd floor.
Nakasiga si Eli.
Siya ang pinaka-bossing dito sa 3rd floor. Pag sinabi niya sa guard, saan po si Boss Eli, alam kagad nila kung nasan niya si kilala na siya sa guard. So, yun po yung location ng Kenya Telecom. And every unit na ipapurchase sa kanila, of course, meron na yung kasama, silicone case, and also gift box. Sa gift box, mga sis Mars, ayan, alam niyo na inclusion nito. Of course, I don't need to flex anymore. But, if bayan siya you don't want the gift box, ayan, pwede po nilang i-less ito ng 500 sa inyong total price. And kasama pa kayo sa kanilang on-the-spot raffle. Ang inclusion na on-the-spot raffle nila is cash, meron yung smartwatch, AirPods, and also a gaming Android phone. So, yun yung inclusion ng kanilang on-the-spot raffle, yung bunot-bunot nila. So, without further ado, let's proceed na checking the storage, available colors, and also price na dito sa Kenya Telecom sa kanilang 13 series. So, we have here iPhone 13. Ang available color na meron tayo is blue. Wait lang. So, available color na meron tayo dito is... Wait lang. Available color na meron tayo dito is blue, black, ayan, white. Actually, kumpleto tayo. Ay, hindi pala. Meron tayong isang missing color sa kanila, which is yung pink. Kasi sobrang mabenta yung pink, kaya mabilis ma-sold out. So, we only have 5 colors in here ng kanilang 13. We have blue, black, white, alpine green, or green, and also yung product red. iPhone 13, 128GB, this is 19,000. And then yung 256GB nila is 20,500. Yung 512GB nila is 24,500. So, ito ang ating iPhone 13. As you can see, ayan, isa lang yung walang kulay sa kanila, yung pink, kasi nga mabenta yon. So, later on, let's check the battery health of this iPhones, of course. Tignan natin kung anong pinakamataas na battery health sa kanilang 13 series. Next, we also have here iPhone 13 Pro. So, we have 4 colors, of course, black, Sheria blue, white, or silver. Meron din tayong gold. So, we need to be careful kasi baka ma-mark as sold natin to bigla. Baka magbayad tayo ng 5 unit agad. So, we have here 13 Pro. So, iPhone 13 Pro natin, mga sis Mars, 128GB is 26,000. 256GB is 27,000. 13 Pro. 13 Pro Max, we have here Sheria blue, gold, alpine green, and also yung black. Ayan. So, ito yung available color natin when it comes sa 13 Pro. As you can see, 13 Pro Max indeed, sorry. 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max, 128GB is 29,000. 256GB is 30,500. So far, ito yung available color nila sa kanilang 13 Pro. May missing color ba tayo dito? Silver, no? Silver lang, yung missing color. Pero, malay nyo, may stocks naman sa baba if bayan na siya sa ganap kayo ng silver. Pero, ang alam ko talaga mabenta sa 13 series nila. Pagdating sa 13, yung pink Sa 13 Pro, yung Shera Blue, and same with 13 Pro Max. Shera Blue talaga yung mabili, tsaka yung gold. Well, actually, lahat naman talaga, kasi madami talaga. Mabilis ma-sold out eh. Actually, dadating na naman ngayon bago stocks ni Boss Mayet. Abangan nyo kasi magsisale na naman yan. For sure na dumating yung mga bagong stocks nila. So far, yun lang yung ating price update dito sa Kenyan Telecom. So, let's flex naman yung mga battery health nila. iPhone 13, ang available battery health is 89, 85. I don't know if this one is 89, 84, or 87. Kayo na mga bahala magula ko na yan. 83, 81, 88, 82, 85, 81, 90, 85. So, meron din tayo dito 13 Pro, 84, 83, 84, 87, 80. So, 13 Pro Max, 81, 80, 85, 82, and also 80. Again, mga sis-Mars, lahat ng battery health na nakikita nyo, pwede nyo i-check sa 3U Tools. If by any chance, nagda-doubt po kayo. At hindi lang yan yung available nilang units dito. Meron din sila dito mga brand new iPods and also brand new iPhones. At marami ding ibang units na available. Ayan. So far, yun lang yung ating battery health and also storage and also color and price update dito sa Kenya Telecom sa kanilang 13 series. Pagdating naman sa warranty, they offer 7 days replacement warranty. Make sure na walang problem sa unit. Of course, no water damage, LCD damage, or any damage that happened to the unit. Make sure nyo na safe pa din yung unit. Siguro if by any chance naman na beyond the turnaround time na kayo ng 7 days replacement warranty at naging pang 8 days na simula nung pang 8 day na nung nakita nyo may problem sa unit, huwag kayo mag-hesitate pumunta sa kanilang shop, CMB man yan, or Kenyel. Pwede pa naman nila kayo i-assist kasi meron silang 3-month service o warranty. Again, mga sis-Mars, only 3U Tools po kayo dito. Alright? Sa payment method, cash, GCash, bank transfer, yan po yung mga payment method nila. And good news kasi nagpapa-installment din po sila through credit card. Ayan, may specific interest yan. Depends on your bank. GGives, SPay later po. So, yan yung kanilang payment method. Pagdating sa delivery fee, they deliver nationwide, within and outside Metro Manila. Outside Metro Manila, that is through LBC. Shipping fee will be shouldered by the buyer, of course. And meron po yan down payment. It depends na lang sa unit na i-purchase nyo. Within Metro Manila, they have cash on delivery. Though same lang naman din sa LBC or outside Metro Manila. COD din yun mga sis-Mars. And same lang sa within Metro Manila. COD and also COP. Meron silang sariling rider na to make sure na makakarating sa inyo ng safely yung inyong phone or unit. So, yun lang yung ating payment method, delivery method, at saka yung ating warranty dito sa Kenya Telecom. So, that's it. See you let's sa ating next na price update. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A.Stories Buyers.